Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to convert a CSV file into a JSON file in Node.js. So I will be using a library which is called as, let me just show you the library. So the library name is pretty simple, which is CSV to JSON. So this is the npm website. You just need to search for this module which is CSV to JSON. So this is a library. So install this by executing a very simple command which is npm I csv to JSON. So I have already installed this, so I will not install it once again. So just make a very simple Node.js project by executing npm init-y to create the package.json file and then install this dependency. So let me just show you the package.json file. As you will see inside my package.json file, there inside your dependencies section we have the csv to JSON dependency. So now after installing this, we need to make our index.js file the starting point of our application. So import this dependency first of all by requiring it CSV to JSON. And the next thing that we need to do is that you need to provide the input file path. So you need to create a input.csv file which you will create to the JSON. So let me just inside my root directory create a simple CSV file. So as you all know, CSV files are very simple format files. So I will provide the column names, name, age, comma, subject. So these are the column names, and then the entries. Let's suppose Gotham 23 and computer science. This is the first row. Second row, let's suppose Pooja 23 age, maths, Sanjay 25, and this is let's suppose Hindi, and the fourth one is Shubham, age is 29 and the subject is social studies. So these are the four entries which are there inside our CSV file. Now we need to convert this into a JSON file. So first of all we will provide the CSV file path. So basically this is there inside my root directory, so I will just write simple.csv. So now inside this CSV to JSON there is a method which is from file path. So if you just go to the documentation, you will find there is a simple method. You can see that this is a method here. You need to put a set of parentheses, and now inside this you can chain methods. So inside this there is a method from file. Here you will provide the path here, which is CSV file path. After providing the path, it returns a promise that you need to handle. So we can handle the promise by executing dot then, and inside this we will get our JSON object like this. So inside the arrow function we can console log the JSON which is returned to us like this. So basically guys, if I just execute this Node.js script, you will find that node index.js, you will see name is Pooja Sanjay and Shubham, name Gotham 23, subject computer science, field 4. Why this field 4 is coming, let me just see. Let me just remove this space here for now. You need to remove the space, and now if I re-execute this, if I clear out the screen, so you will see that name Gotham, Pooja, Sanjay, Shubham. So this has converted to an array of objects. The CSV file, it has converted it. Now what we want is that we want to we need to save this file. So in order to save this file, it is pretty simple. We will make use of this function which is let me just show you. This is a function file system. For this saving the file, we need to make use of the built-in module of Node.js which is file system. So require it file system, and then after that we can write the file synchronously, and here we need to provide the path. So I will create output.json file. So this will be created in the root directory, and then we need to provide the contents of the file. So we need to uh, use this method, which is json.stringify. If we don't use this method, then it will not convert the object. This is actually an array of objects which are there inside this, so we need to convert this to string. So we will pass our objects. Then we also need to write this utf8 property, and then if any kind of error take place, this is a callback function when all the things are completed. So this is a fourth function. So if any kind of error take place, we can console log the error. Like this. So I think the application is complete now. So if I look to the application, if I run this file, you will see it will create this output.json file, and you will see it will output the array of objects. If I format the document, you will see it is holding name, age, subject. So in this way, guys, you can create a very simple application in which you convert. I think that was the error. I not put a comma here to after puja 23 maths. So you need to put a comma after every row. So that was a problem, I think. So if I re-execute the script, you will not find that field 4 error. Oh, I think guys, the problem is I need not have to put a comma here. I was confused in JSON files you need to put comma after every entry, but in CSV files you did not have to put any sort of comma. So if you put a comma, then it will be selecting that. Let me just remove this comma, cut this, cut, and now you will see. Now you can see, right guys, this is name, age, subject, and no field for entry is there. So after every row is ended, you need not have to put a comma. So if I show you output.json, you will see every time you run it, this file will be updated. You can see that name, age, subject, name, age, subject. So in this way, guys, you can convert your CSV files into JSON files using this Node.js library, which is CSV to JSON. So thanks very much, guys, for watching this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, also hit the notification bell icon, and I will be seeing you in the next video.